Wow. Nice hair. Who made that one, Nak? Hmm?
It's you.
Really?
Like headband.
It's like headband?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like it, mommy.
Hmm?
I like it.
Messi, Messi, sabi. Ah.
Let's go on.
Be, sus, turn your back.
Nice on baby, mommy.
Hmm?
Nice on baby. Nice going on baby, mommy.
Nice kayang hair sa baby.
Yeah.
Messi, be. Up, 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 up. Eh, wait, wait. Wow, nice.
Nice going, mommy.
Nice kayo.
Yeah.
Wow. Perlisod sad kayo himuon oy, Diyos ko dolor. Grabe. Ang kamot na ko grabe kaya kamot na ko piti sa kita.
Kita.
Okay, slowly lang na. Turn slowly. May see? Turn slowly. From the right, and turn slowly. Turn slowly. Come on. Turn slowly. Turn slowly. Okay, next. Turn. Ay, turn ba? Turn. Here. To your left. Okay. It's so tiring to do this, you know.
I am so tired, mommy.
You're so tired too?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Really?
Oh,
Wait. May see? Turn your back sa api. Okay, wait sa ha. Nice. Hmm? Oh, pag-water sa. That's my baby Sam. Pwede sa lali mag-braid sa buhok. Uy, labi na iyang buhok. Grabe, kagagmay.
Hello.
Hi, na welcome. Na hi, welcome.
Hi, welcome.
Doon na. Oh, return na ng imong comb and your hair ties and your clips. Come on. Return. Iput sa basket ni mo, day.
Basket.
It's a basket.
I hear basket.
I said basket. Okay. Huh?
Let's go, you.
Hmm?
Let's go, you.
Nice kayo? Oh, iwahin po na imong buhok ha. Kagapuy, ba tagsigwan na imong buhok. Ato na lang ikat imong hair na. Let's cut your hair. Ay, yeah. Okay, parang sa imong back.
Yeah. Nightland.
Iwap na lang sa imong. Ay, put ito sa trash bin ka. Don't touch the trash can ha. Properly. You put it properly. Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Baby Samson.
Hmm?
Mommy, I'm your baby daughter.
You're my baby daughter? Who are you?
I'm your baby daughter. Oh, come on, mommy. I hire like this. Yeah.
Ay, pag-jump.
I can't hire on the TV. I hire.
You can't jump. You can't carry yourself because you're so heavy.
Because daddy can fly with like this. Yeah.
Okay.
I hire with the mirror over there, mommy.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Mommy.
Daddy's coming.
Yeah.
But it's a prank.
Mommy.
Dugay sa daddy nak?
Oh,
What did you say? Dugay sa daddy, uy? What did you say?
we're
What did you say? Daddy is very dugay?
yeah. I say daddy.
Hmm?
I say the kuya or si daddy.
Dugay ya si daddy, uy. Dugay ka si daddy?
Yeah.
Ano? Ano ka dirty sa imong mouth lagi? Lo. Where's your mole, nak? Where's your mole? Where's your mole?
Over here.
Where?
Here.
And? Biduulan ni mo sa camera, oy.
Here. Oh, it's over here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah.
it's over here and here and here. It's a tiny mole.
It's a tiny mole.
Mommy, where's your lots of moles?
Hmm?
Where's your lots of moles?
I have moles? I don't
Yeah.
have.
There's someone face.
Where? You count how many moles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Daghan na. Ang bilis pangin, may pangin. Ging na. Ayaw na pag...
Ala ko, gumulo. Ala ko, mula.
Hmm?
Ang gumulo. Ang gumulo. Oh. Oh.
Dugay ya daddy, uy.
Kuya, oh, daddy.
Ha? Baliktad man ka, eh?
I can't see the camera, Mama. I can't see the camera.
What did you say?
Daddy's not there. Daddy's not here. Daddy, papa.
Ay, lagi dool ba?
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Asa ti kanta ni Johnny? Asa ti kanta ni Johnny?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hatata.
Okay, hatata. Unsalan? Again. Asa ti kanta ni Johnny?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hana.
Tarong ngagsing?
Mommy, what is the name of the elephant?
I don't know.
Mina.
Mina?
Yeah. He's wear coat.
She.
He's wear coat.
Okay.
It's pink.
What's the name of the pig?
Because the wolf says it's a mommy pig.
Huh?
Mommy pig.
Mommy pig?
Yeah. Because he's a mommy pig.
How about the koala?
Mr. Moon.
Mr. Moon?
Yeah, he's Goya.
Yeah.
Because he's like Goya.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's her brother. That's his brother. That's Goya.
What's the name of the cat? Is it a cat?
Yeah, Oreo.
No, not Oreo.
No, he's a cat from over there, Mommy.
Okay.
He's a cat.
Okay.
Because the cat says Oreo.
It's not Oreo. The one in the movie.
Where's it?
The secretary of Mr. What's the name of the wolf? The bad one?
I don't know.
Huh?
And her team is the bad ones.
Mm-hmm.
They're the team. Because
What's
the
the name
wolf-
of the big eye?
I don't know.
The big. What do you call that? Mr. The one is angry ba? With Mr. Moon. Mr. Calloway? What do you call that one?
Mr. Cowboy. He's a lion.
It's a lion.
Yeah.
How about the smallest one? With a guitar. Who was that?
Hedgehog.
Huh?
Because he sing with her guitar. Because he sing hedgehog. Hedgehog. That's a hedgehog.
Okay, say bye-bye na. Bye.
Wala pa sa mommy.
Bye-bye na sa akong bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.